Good morning, students. Today we will start exercise 2.6. Now, exercise 2.6. Exercise 2.6. In this exercise, you have to find the product of two decimal numbers. Your first question, 1 is 0.2 into 6. 0.2 into 6, and this will be equal to 6 to the 12, and this answer is 1.2. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is 0.05 into 7, and this equal to 7 5 are 35, and we write decimal after two place, therefore decimal, this is the answer, 0.35. Now question number 2. Question number 2. In question number 2, you have to find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 cm and breadth is 3 cm. Length is equal to 5.7 cm, breadth is equal to 3 cm, and therefore area of given rectangle, area of given rectangle is equal to L into B. It means 5.7 into 3 cm square, and this equal to 17.1 cm square. Now question number 3rd of question number 3. In this question, you have to find the product of these two decimal numbers, 153.7 into 10, and this will be 153.7 into 10 is equal to 1537. This is the answer. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is 156.1 into 100, and 156.1 into 100 is equal to 1561 and 20, and we write decimal after one place, and therefore this is the answer, 15610. Now 11th question. 11th question is 0.9 into 100. This equal 0.9 into 100, and this will be 9 1s are 9 into 100, 900, and we write decimal after one place, therefore your answer is 90. Now come to question number 4. Question number 4. In question number 4, a two-wheeler covers a distance of 53.5 km in 1 liter of petrol. You have to find total distance covered in 10 liters of petrol. Therefore, a two-wheeler covers 53.3 km in petrol, and therefore total distance, therefore covered by two-wheeler in 10 liters of petrol, in 10 liters of petrol is equal to 53.3 into 10 km, and this equal to 533 km. Now question number 5. Question number 3 of 5. 0.2 into 316.8. This equal to 0.2 into 316.8 will be equal to 6336, and we write decimal after 2 place. This is the answer. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is 0.5 into 0.05. 0.5 into 0.05, and product of these two is 5 5 are 25, and we write decimal after 3 place. Therefore we write 0 here and now decimal 0. This is the answer, 0.025. Now ninth question of this question number 5, and this is the last question. Now question number 9 is 101.01 into 0.01 and 10101, and we write decimal after 4 digits. Therefore this is the answer, 1.0101. And now remaining questions of this exercise is homework for you. Okay. Exercise 2.7. Exercise 2.7. In this exercise, you have to divide any decimal number by any whole number or decimal number. Your first question is 1 of 1 is 0.4. 0.4 divided by 2. This equal to 0.4 multiplied by 1 by 2, and this equal to 0.4 by 2. 0.4 by 2 means 4 by 20, and this will be equal to 0.2. Now question number 7. 7 is 3.96 divide 4, and this equal to 3.96 by 4. This equal to 396 by 400, and this will be equal to 0.99. Now question number 2. Question number 1 of question number 2 is 4.8 divided by 10, and this equal to 4.8 divide 10, and this equal to 48 divided by 100, and this will be 0.48. Now sixth question of question number 2. Sixth is 0.56 divided 10. This will be equal to 0.56 divided by 10 is equal to 56 by 1000, and this will be equal to 0.056. Now come to question number 3. Question number 1 of 3 is 2.7 divided by 100. This will be equal to 2.7 by 100, and this equal to 27 by 1000. Removing decimal sign, we write here 10 more, and this will be equal to 0.027. This is the answer. Now fifth question of 3. Fifth question is 23.6 divide 100. This equal to 23.6 divided by 100, and this equal to 236 by 1000. After removing decimal sign, we add 10 more in denominator, and this will be equal to 0.236. This is the answer. Now come to question number 4.1. is 7.9 divided 1000, and this equal to 7.9 by 1000, and this equal to 79 by 10,000, and this equal to 10,000. Yes, now this is equal to decimal 0079. Now question number 5th of question number 4. 5th is 0.5 divided by 1000. This equal to 0.5 by 1000, and after removing we get 5 by 10,000, and this is equal to 0.0005. This is the answer. Now come to question number 5. 5.1 is 7 divided by 3.5, and this equal to 7 by 3.5. After removing decimal sign from denominator we get 70 by 35, and 35 to the 70, therefore 2 is the answer. Now 8th question. 8th of question number 5. 8th is 37.8 divided 1.4, and therefore 37.8 by 1.4. This equal to 378. 378 by 14, and this equal to 378 is cut by 14 in 27 times, and therefore your answer is 27. Now I am going to solve one question more. Question number 7. In question number 7, 76.5 divided by 0.15, and this is equal to 76.5 by 0.15, and this will be equal to 7650 by 15, and this will be equal to 7650 by 15, and this equal to 510. Now come to question number 6. In question number 6, a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Now, vehicle covers 43.2 km. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liter of petrol. Therefore, distance covered by vehicle in 1 liter of petrol is equal to 43.2 divided by 2.4 kilometer, and this equal to 432 by 24 kilometer, and this equal to 18 kilometer. This is the answer. Now, I have solved all the difficult question of exercise 2.6 and 2.7, and remaining questions are homework to do for you. It means you have to complete chapter 2.